Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2007 Cadillac Escalade. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side. We'll come in and take a look at those tires there. Still got some tread left. Just going to be looking for dents, dings, scratches. One little thin dent right there. One more here by the gas tank. They have added a chrome gas tank flap there. A lot of chrome on the vehicle, really kind of offsets that pearl white paint. Your integrated backup camera, trailer tow. Exterior looks really sharp. Nice set of extra wide step assists. Taking a look at the interior, full power for the driver's seat. It's a nice tan perforated leather. 105,840 is the current mileage. AM, FM, satellite radio, navigation. Everything here is going to be touchscreen. Then you do have all your climate control functionality just below it there. You do get your heated seats. All the flooring is going to be tan to match the seating. In the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seating surface. Seats look good, no signs of any staining in the seating. You do get rear heat for the seat as well as your air control back here. You've got DVD, and then you also have headrest DVD. Multiple entertainment options. Looking in the back now, this will be your cargo space when the seats are in their upright position. This third row can be folded down, and then it will actually flip forward, revealing a little extra cargo space back here. They can also be removed. You can then lay the second row down or flip and fold the second row to go ahead and get you full pass-through storage to the back of those front seats. Looking with the second row here from the passenger side, there is an integrated armrest here for a little added comfort. And then we'll go ahead and flip and fold the seats, revealing access to that third row. Third row seating's in great shape. Wrapping up in the front passenger seat, full power for the passenger as well as the driver. One more look over the seating surface. One more spin around the back. This model does have a sunroof as well, and that's going to wrap up your 2007 Cadillac Escalade.